Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service. I'm Bob. Today I'm going to show you how to use split screen, also known as snap layouts in Windows 11. It's a great way to multitask and accomplish more. Let's jump right in. We're going to start by opening up an application. It could be anything, like a browser or Word, or I'm going to use WordPad since I don't have an active Word on this computer. And we're going to just drag the app by holding the top here to the left edge, and as you can see, it kind of expands and lights up the left hand side of the screen. And we're just going to release, and it's going to bring it into that spot, and anything that we had open below is going to be on the right here, so we can choose to fill in this area. So I'm just going to hit there, and there you go. You got two windows side by side, easily snapped together. And that's it. There's also another way to do this. If you hover over the maximize button for a second, it'll bring up this little diagram of all the different ways that we can use the snap windows. So I'm just going to pick one to show you, and there you go. It's in the middle column there, and then if there was more than two things open, you could use one here and one here. I only have two things open, so it'll just be like that. And that's an easy way to do it and have multiple designs rather than just the half screen. And then one last way is also the fastest way. If you use the keyboard shortcut Windows key and left, it'll snap it to the left. And if you do Windows key right, it'll snap it to the right. And that's it. Split screen or snap layouts makes multitasking in Windows 11 easy. Try it out today and tell me in the comments how you like using it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows Wednesday tips.